Hi guys, good morning. My name is Santosh. I'm going to tell you very nice topic. Definitely that topic is beneficial for you. Means in today's lectures, I'm going to discuss you regarding have and has. Have and has. Lots of time we use that word in the sentences, means sometimes we use that word but we have no idea why we use that word. So that's why today I am going to explain all the points, which type of conditions, which type of points we use have and had. If you have lots of idea about all the conditions and about all the uses, definitely damn sure within some time, within some days, you will be used very carefully, very perfectly have as had, have and had in the situation. Because English, if you want to speak in English, that time there is a one thing, that thing means if you realize some situation, definitely you will speak very well in English if you understand situation. So that's why today I am saying something about have and has. If you want to use have and has, then you know some conditions as well as some uses. So there are only few conditions, means there is only three conditions and there is only five uses. So if you have lots of idea about three condition and five uses, definitely you will use have and has at a perfect situation, at a perfect condition. So there is only three conditions. There is only three conditions. All these condition is very easy. First condition said that possession. First condition said that possession. Second condition said that ownership. Third condition said that mine thing. If you have lots of idea about three conditions, there are only three conditions: possession, ownership, and mine thing. 3 points is different, not a similar to each other. Definitely little similar to each other. As like I have a pen. I have a pen means this pen is mine. This pen is mine means first of all possession, means sometime I am owner, sometime I am not owner. As like I am using this flat means I am not on this flat but I am using this flat, that means possession. Second thing, ownership, means if I am owner of this flat, definitely this is called ownership. Then mine thing means sometime I am owner but sometime I am not owner. Means remember one thing, if someone give me their mobile, means that person's mobile in my pocket, that time that is the mine thing, only for little time. Means as like if I am using a pen but I am not the owner of this pen and I am not a possessor of this pen, but this pen is mine for a little time. So if any three condition is satisfied, means if any one condition is satisfied, means possession as well as ownership as well as mine thing. Ownership, possession and mine thing, if above three condition any one condition is satisfied, that time we use have and has. But remember one thing, don't forget thing, there are some uses, definitely that uses right now I am going to tell you. So uses means if any condition is satisfied. Remember one thing, have and has, it's very important because lots of time we use have and has, but sometimes we are confused which type of conditions I am using have and has. So there is a first uses, friend, relative and relation. Friend, relative, relation. Second thing, parts of body. Third thing, problems and illness. Then fourth, business and profession. And last point is working condition. Remember one thing. What is the connection of uses and conditions? Definitely means possession, ownership, and mind thing. That is our conditions and uses, friend, relative, relation, parts of body, and problems, illness, business, profession, working condition. What is the connection? Definitely, I am explaining you all the points very carefully. What is the connection? Connection said that if someone is going to Pune, but that time he had some urgency. That's why he stay behind the road. If I'm also going to Pune, I never ask to that person, do you have a car? I know that car is possession, ownership of my thing of that person. Means that person has a car, but that person is not connected with any uses. That person is not connected with any uses. Means remember that person stay behind the road and I am also stay there, but that person is not my friend. That person is not related to parts of body. That person is not related to problems and illness, business, profession, and working conditions. If I ask to that person, do you have a car? That time that person thinks, definitely he want to do something with me. So that's why he asked me, do you have a car? Is that person fearless about me? Means if in any situation there is no any content related to that condition, then we never use have. Means if that is our friend, that time we ask, do you have a car? If that thing is related to parts of body, that time we use, do you have two legs? Do you have two eyes? And like etc. Problem. Do you have a problem? Then business, profession, working condition. As like means one example, that means remember one thing, if I'm going to school, that time some people's working behind the road, definitely I'm asking to that person, definitely I'm asking to that person, have you complete your work? Definitely I'm asking to that person, have you complete your work? Because that person is not my friend. That person is not related to parts of body, problems, illness, business, profession, but that person related with me working conditions. Means if any one condition is satisfied, then we know some uses. If condition is satisfied and uses are present there, only that time you have to use have and has. I'm going to explain once again. There are three conditions. First one is possession, ownership, mind thing, and there are some uses, friend, relative, relation, parts of body, problems and illness, business, profession, and working conditions. Means if any condition is satisfied and any uses are there, that time we use have and has. But now I want to tell you one thing. There are first person singular and third person singular. If first person singular, we use I have, then they have, he has, and she has, it has. Sometimes some people confused. I have, they have, he has, she has, it has. If we want to ask questions to another person, that time we use do you have? Do you have? Then do they have? Then does he have? Does he have? And does she have? Means if we want to ask for questions to another person, that time we use do and does. Don't forget that thing. There are four types of sentences. First one is affirmative, second one is interrogative, then negative and negative interrogative. Definitely next video I will teach all the types of sentences, but don't forget I have, they have, he had, she had, it had. This is the some little information regarding have and has. I hope you understand very well. If have you any doubt, then send me a message in comment box. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.